beans. They seem so simple, so ordinary, right? Yet across the world, this humble food has been a staple for thousands of years. But what makes beans so powerful? How could something so affordable and unassuming pack such a punch for your health? Today, I'll walk you through the surprising reasons why adding beans to your diet could transform your body and energy levels, and how it's about much more than just protein. Within beans lies a powerhouse of nutrition that can completely shift the way your body feels. Not only are beans loaded with plant-based protein, but they are also rich in fiber, antioxidants, and essential vitamins. Beans have been shown to help prevent heart disease, improve gut health, stabilize blood sugar, and even lower cholesterol. They aren't just side dishes, they are health transformers. Beans are an energy booster. When you eat beans, their complex carbs fuel your body slowly, keeping you fuller for longer, helping you avoid those energy crashes in the middle of the day. In some of the healthiest communities in the world, places known as blue zones, beans are a dietary staple. In these regions, people often live to be over 100, and beans are at the heart of their diets. They eat beans daily, and studies suggest that every serving of beans consumed may extend life by a significant margin. Isn't it wild to think that something so ordinary could hold the key to living a longer, healthier life? Let's talk about fiber. 1 cup of beans gives you more fiber than most vegetables and fruits. Fiber isn't just about digestion. It helps your gut health flourish, which in turn boosts your immune system. Imagine giving your body the ability to fight off illness just by incorporating this simple food into your meals. The gut-brain connection is real. Healthy gut, healthy mind. And beans don't stop there. They're packed with antioxidants, helping you fight off oxidative stress, reducing inflammation, and promoting better skin health. Beans are one of the most versatile foods on the planet. They can be turned into soups, stews, salads, dips, or even burger patties. So not only are they nutritious, but they are also incredibly flexible. It's a myth that eating healthy has to be boring. Beans bring flavor, texture, and heartiness to any dish, whether you're a meat lover or plant-based. So, what's stopping you from adding beans to your diet? They're accessible, affordable, and can elevate your health in ways you might never have imagined. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite way to enjoy beans?